How to install FC Mobile on iPhone 12. So if you're a gamer and you own the iPhone 12, one of the iPhone 12 series, maybe iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I want to install the FC Mobile 25 on your device, then this video is going to walk you through how to install this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install FC Mobile on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Then click on the search button at the bottom right. Come to the search bar and search for FC Mobile. Now once you search for FC Mobile, you should see the FC Mobile here. Click on it. Then to download it, just go ahead and click on Get. If you have already installed the FC Mobile once and then you choose to uninstall it, you should see the cloud icon and then click on it. Once you click on the Get button, just hang on while the FC Mobile application is installing on your phone. However, if this is the first time of doing this, in some cases, you'll be prompted to press your side button twice, or you'll be prompted to sign into your Apple account by typing your Apple account password. And once you type in your Apple account password, then you need to hang on for the FC Mobile application to download and install on your iPhone. And once the download and installation process is completed, then you can now go ahead, open the app, and then start playing on your phone. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.